Hi there, this is Business with Dave. In this video, I'll be giving you 5 reasons why you should start an Instagram business. But before I jump into the video, I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel. You guys are all awesome, and if you haven't already, do subscribe at the end of the video. But yeah, let's jump straight into this video. So number 1 is to follow your passion. I can't stress enough how important it is to find the stuff that you like to do, and if you could turn that into a project or a business or something that you could get people excited about, then you're doing something well, you're doing something good, you're following your passion, and hopefully you're going to get paid for it as well. But that could literally come later. As long as you get that enjoyment going, you get those creative juices going and get people excited, you are already pretty much in a good position because you're happy to do what you want to do. It gets you up in the morning, and yeah, hopefully people will appreciate what you're doing as well, and hopefully something different. Secondly, it's free and it's so easy to set up on Instagram. Literally, you can set up a business right now after watching this video. You just find something that you want to sell, take a couple good pictures, put it up into the world, and hopefully the world can see what you're selling, and hopefully you can grab their attention and make some sales already. Super easy, super convenient as well. Everything is online now, and whatever you can supply, hopefully there's a demand for, or maybe there's a niche idea within it that people are maybe hopefully looking for, then you can carve out a business for yourself and you can literally start now. And why shouldn't you start now? But definitely you can always give it a try. I'm not saying you should give up your day job and do this full time. Do it part time, see how it goes, grow it gradually. Maybe you can develop it as you go along and learn a lot of lessons along the way, but hopefully you gain some skills, some confidence, and some sales as well. So the third thing is to set yourself a challenge. Why not give yourself a goal? Why not see how far you can take this small business, how many products you could sell, how many services you could offer to people, and hopefully they could buy into, and see if you can hit like mini milestones, or maybe create savings for yourself. These are all the possibilities that if you can give yourself a challenge, it will motivate you to go do it. It will hopefully prove people that you can do something beyond maybe your day job, or maybe follow your passion in that sense as well. But it's the whole idea of giving yourself a challenge and pulling through, coming up with a plan, organizing, strategizing, and going out and do it. And hopefully you're happy going out to do it because you're testing yourself. And everyone needs a challenge. Everyone needs to keep learning every day, because as we go older, we never stop learning. We keep learning, and hopefully you find something exciting and you'll continue learning in that sense. Especially, why not experiment and try new things? Spend those hours researching, planning, making stuff, remaking stuff, improving, and hopefully you can do something that will take your business further along the way as well. But hopefully by all means challenge yourself, that you move up a level in terms of, again, your skills, your confidence, your skill set. But it's that whole idea of progressing that I think a lot of people like to achieve and would like to achieve, hopefully moving forward. So do put yourself out there. And another reason why you should start an Instagram business is you actually like making stuff. Potentially if it's a product that you're looking to sell, if you like to be creative, if you like to be a bit different as well, and maybe you can see a gap in the market for something, definitely try and see if you can start up a business, start up a project. Again, see if there's demand for it. And even if there's no demand, even doing something that you enjoy is already going to hopefully give you enjoyment in that sense. And if the money comes along, then that's great. But you never know unless you start. And I think that's the thing that a lot of people do. They think, oh, it's a great idea, but I just don't think people will buy into it. Who knows if you never start it up? Who knows if you've never given it a try? Maybe it's a great idea, maybe it's not a great idea, but at least if you try, then you find out. The worst part is that you have regrets that you've never tried it because, oh, there's too much going on, and maybe you have doubters out there, maybe you even doubt yourself. But sometimes you just have to pull through, have confidence in your idea. If you've done your hours and hours of research, then no doubt that at least if you give it a try, you won't look back in the past and think, oh, I didn't give it a try. You at least could say, yes, I gave it a try, maybe I'll do something differently in the future. And who knows, that could lead to something else better as well in the future. If you don't try, then you just stay where you are and you're just maybe stagnated. But if you do something outside your comfort zone, outside the box as well, then at least you can progress in that sense. And I think that's what life is all about. It's about progressing, it's about trying new things, it's about challenging yourself. But giving yourself that motivation will be key to starting a successful Instagram business, particularly if you just want to be happy doing something on the side and seeing how that goes. And my fifth and final point is that it gives you the freedom when you start an Instagram business, the freedom to be your own boss. And you literally decide when you want to work, when you want to make products, how you want to progress your business. You are in control. You have the freedom to do what you want and how you want and how many hours you want to spend doing it. Because you don't have to give up your 9-to-5 job. You could do this on the side, on your weekends, on your evenings, maybe at night as well. But you are in control. You are in control of something that you hopefully are passionate about, that you would hopefully want to grow and take forward. But if you want to keep it small, then keep it small. You don't have to make it into a big business or have shops and sell massively everywhere online. If you just want to sell locally, sell locally. If you want to just sell just within your community, then do that. But it's having that courage and having that guts to put yourself out there and starting a business out. You are putting yourself in a better position because hopefully you'll be learning so much about yourself, your business, building confidence, whilst being able to have control over what you do. And I think that's where the freedom comes in. That's where starting an Instagram business makes it so easy for you to at least give it a try than not to give it a try, because the costs are a lot lower and you can make mistakes, and that's perfectly okay because everyone makes mistakes and you learn from it and then you progress. But it's that whole idea of, yes, you can do what you want when you want to do it. When you want to take holidays, take holidays. If you want to make less money, make less money. If you want to go for the juggernaut, then go for the juggernaut. But you are in control, and that is awesome. And last thing I want to leave you with this video is that you should have fun with it. Life is all about at least trying to enjoy the most part of it. Yes, there will be so many stresses going on. Yes, you'll be having problems being chucked at you left, right and center with any small business, large business. But at least hopefully you'll be enjoying it. At least you'll be learning from it. At least you'll be happy with it. And life is too short to be having regrets. So don't have as many regrets. Try to seize the opportunities as they come. And yeah, just take the opportunities because they might not come around as often. And if they do, grab it with both hands. So thanks for this video, guys. Hope you found this video useful and that you use these tips to start your own Instagram business. And at least I could guarantee you, if you do set one up, that you would at least gain something from it. If it's not lessons to learn from it, learning about yourself, building confidence that you would not normally have before, I can guarantee at least you'll take something from it. So there's no regrets from it, and at least you've given it a try. At least you've showed people that you can at least sell something, and hopefully people buy it, and hopefully they like what you do as well. Yeah, so thanks a lot for watching. Like this video if you like this video. Consider subscribing to the channel. I've been Business with Dave. I'll see you next video. Take care.